Over the past few weeks, we've looked at a lot of ways to organise your screen in Scrivener 3 for Windows. So today we're going to talk about how you can save some of those setups so that you don't have to manually implement them every time. These formats are called layouts. So the first thing you need to do is to set the screen up how you want it for, say, a particular editing stage. Next, go to the Window menu and select Layouts, Manage Layouts. You'll see there are plus and minus icons at the bottom of the window. Over on the right are two options, Save Outliner and Corkboard Settings, and Preserve All Metadata Appearance options, which you can toggle on and off. If you click on the plus, you'll see a representation of your screen on the right, your layout, and you can give it a name on the left. You can add as many as you want. Maybe a layout like the one we created last week as the alternative to composition mode. This will now appear under the Layouts option in the menu, and you can select it from there. The three dots give you some other options, such as updating a layout and exporting and importing layouts if you were sharing layouts with others. To update a layout, change your defaults on your screen first, then click on the name of the layout in the Layout Manager and select Update. You'll see the image change as you do so. Obviously, if you want to delete a layout, you can do it from here too. So, now that you're all up to date on all different kinds of layouts, over the next few weeks, we'll be starting to take a more in-depth look at the corkboard. So all you planners out there, get ready.